Watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Good to see you on this Wednesday afternoon. Environment Canada issuing some winter travel advisories. We're dealing with some rain, possibly freezing rain in the evening into the overnight hours, switching to snow and around 10 centimeters tomorrow. Total accumulation, we're talking about from today into Friday, we're looking at around 20 centimeters. But our daytime high today, not bad, +3. Average high this time of year is -3. Here's that system moving through the region. It stretches all the way from the U.S. all the way into Quebec. Of course, we're right in the middle. It shifts Thursday afternoon to below us at this point, and looking like Upper New York State really getting the brunt of this system. And Environment Canada issuing weather advisories, 20 centimeters between today and into Friday for right across eastern Ontario. Belleville, good afternoon to you. +3 today, a rain-snow mix, and then -3 tomorrow, -8 on Friday, 5 to 10 centimeters during the day for tomorrow, and much the same for Brockville. +6 degrees today, -1 tomorrow with 5 to 10 centimeters, -9 on Friday for Smiths Falls, 20 centimeters total accumulation by Friday. Today you'll get to 3 degrees with that rain later in the day, -4 for tomorrow, -10 on Friday. And now for Kingston's next 5 days, here's how things are unfolding. A weather advisory is in effect for us. Again, 20 centimeters roughly between Wednesday today and into Friday. We'll get to 3 degrees today. There was that risk of freezing rain earlier in the day, and then a chance of rain in the evening. -3 tomorrow, 5 to 10 centimeters expected, -9 on Friday, mostly cloudy, -11 on Saturday. Good start to the weekend. Yes, it will be cold though, and then getting to where we should be this time of year, -3 on Sunday. At this point, a mostly cloudy sky.
Yes, a mess from the west moving through. It's already started with rain, but that's going to transition to snow soon, and we'll let you know how much snow, where it falls, shortly. Above normal today, 3 in Kingston, -3 is your seasonal average, and we had as high as 4 in Brockville, Ottawa, Belleville, Oshawa, and Toronto today, at 3 in Peterborough, 5 in Smiths Falls, a little bit cooler there for some reason. 2 degrees is where we're sitting now, and rain is falling. Now, those temperatures are going to drop, and as they do tonight, we'll see that risk of freezing rain materialize, and it's going to transition to snow eventually. We're just calling it a trace at this point because it hasn't been falling for very long, but we'll keep an eye on it, get you some numbers for tomorrow. There's that frontal boundary moving through with snow, and as you can see, it doesn't just sweep right through. It kind of stays with us through Thursday as it tracks northeast. And right into Friday morning, you'll probably see still a 30 to 40% chance of flurries in the Belleville, Kingston area. Brockville, Smiths Falls, it may be a 40 to 60%, but it will diminish by then, and high pressure coming in with some cooler air. It's going to try to drop those temperatures a bit, but it won't be a big cold snap for very long. It's just going to bring them back down to where they should be, or just slightly below that. There is another low dropping into the prairies as we tee up the weekend, or into the Great Lakes Basin out of the prairies as we tee up the weekend, and this may bring you a little something late Sunday into Monday. So just a dusting, not much of anything. This is where we're sitting now. This is why we're seeing rain. But you can see there's that freezing line, eh? That's what they call the freezing line, or the snow line, and that's where you get your mixed precipitation. There's the transition. So as soon as this continues to push through, we get that risk of freezing rain, then it's into snow, and so the overnight, maybe 5 centimeters or more, but through Thursday you continue to see it. You could see up to 5 centimeters by the time it wraps up Thursday afternoon, and then starts to pick back up again. Come Friday morning, though, we hope to see things diminish, the probability, and then through the day you actually see some breaks in the cloud, but that cloud's likely to stay with you right into the evening. We probably won't see it clear up considerably until Saturday, and when it cools down too. So snow 5 to 10, you could see 5 centimeters tonight, Belleville, and then maybe another 5 to 10 before it wraps up early Friday. Cloudy, -9. Saturday, clear and cooler, a high of only -10. Brockville, you'll see possibly 5 centimeters of snow tonight. You could see another 5 to 10 tomorrow before it wraps up Friday late morning. It might take a little longer, but that 40% chance of flurries through the morning. And it does start to cool off too. Saturday, only up to -10 and dropping down to a -17. Smiths Falls, -3 for a high tomorrow. And you've got some snow too. 5 to 10 centimeters is possible. Could see a couple more centimeters Friday morning. High -11. And then it reduces to about 30% probability in the afternoon, hoping to see it wrap up in the evening. And Saturday, Some sunshine, but much cooler, high -12. Kingston, your 5-day forecast. 5 centimeters of snow tonight, maybe 2 to 4 through the day, and then another 5 centimeters in the evening, and then that lingers into Friday morning, and so it's kind of pinpoint exactly how much you're going to get, but it could be over 10 centimeters. Some places could see up to 15 centimeters by the time it tapers off Friday. Cooler, too, come Friday, high -10. Saturday, -11, and mainly sunny conditions. For Sunday, though, the cloud starts to increase again, a high -3. And for Monday, we're back into some flurries with a seasonal high of -3. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Diane Porter of Bath sends this one in. Oh yeah, those pressure cracks heaving the ice up onto the shore can really make a pretty picture. Diane captured a beautiful picture. That big piece of ice in the middle jutting up to the sky. It almost looks as if it has a bit of a face on it. Little eyes at the top and a mouth in the middle.
And
then again, I see things sometimes.
Different color too.
Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. That blue hue through the ice and complemented by the yellows in the background. It's an absolutely gorgeous photo. Thank you, Diane. If you've got pics, send them to us like Diane did at submissions@ckwstv.com.
You know, looking at that quickly, Bill, before you explained what we're looking at, I thought we were looking at a picture from the Antarctic.
It does look a big iceberg there.
Yeah,
it all depends on your perspective.
Okay, so we are in for another bit of a mess over the next 24 to, 48 hours?
Yeah, it's going to be a 2.5, 3-day event. It's going to take its time moving through. So the nice thing is you're going to, it's not going to be anything like that early big snowstorm in January where you saw like 42 centimeters in one 24-hour period. It's going to be like a fraction of that over 2 to 3 days.
Okay,
but it could get pretty greasy tonight and early in the morning. You could see some freezing rain, so be careful.
Okay, we'll find out what's in the long-range forecast a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. Forecast, Bill.
No, I think we've turned a corner. That chance of precipitation coming our way looks...
Where's your microphone?
It fell off. Here it is.
Oh, okay.
It's on the, my microphone was on the floor, apparently. Okay. -3 tomorrow for a high. We've got about 5 centimeters tonight, another 5 to 10 before it stops Friday morning. So you've got some shoveling to do. -10 for a high Friday, so it does cool down in the wake of that storm. Saturday, mainly sunny with a high -11. -3 over Sunday and Monday, which is seasonal. We see an increase in cloud Sunday, more flurries moving in overnight, continuing Monday. For Tuesday, though, it's just a mix of sun and cloud, a high -2. And look at this, a -1 Wednesday. Yeah, nice to see those milder temperatures.
All right, thanks, guys. We'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Looks like that system out of the prairies coming our way, bringing us some snow. They had blizzard conditions through Manitoba just the other day as a result of this, and it's coming through our area tonight. You've already seen some of it. We could get 5 to 10 centimeters over the next 24 hours, and then over right up till Friday morning, it continues on and off intermittently. So wouldn't be surprised if some parts of eastern Ontario saw up to 15 centimeters as a result of this. But that's not bad, really, if you stop and consider that big storm we had earlier in January. This is about half the amount of precipitation in 2 to 3 days as opposed to what they brought us in that single day. So high pressure coming in afterwards is going to cool it off. Another low moving into the Great Lakes Basin just as the weekend's sort of teeing up might roll in for Sunday. Sometimes Sunday you'll see an increase in cloud and very small chance of some flurries. I don't think this one's going to be quite as messy as the one we're dealing with now. Belleville, -3 for a high, and yeah, you've got about 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. It starts tonight mixed with rain. There is a risk of freezing rain too, but that will change over to just snow before the night is through and then continue tomorrow. Friday, just cloudy, high -9, and Saturday it cools down. -10 for a high and mainly sunny. Brockville, you've got some cooling down come Saturday, but you've got about 5 to 10 centimeters of snow to get through over Thursday, and into Friday is still a 40% chance in the morning. Smiths Falls, some more snow, 5 to 10 centimeters for you. Tomorrow, on top of the 5 you get tonight. Friday, cooler, -11 up to -12 Saturday as it starts to clear. And Kingston, your long-range forecast, snow, 5 to 10 centimeters tomorrow. Friday, -10 and still a few flurries in the morning. Hoping to see some clearing by the evening. Saturday, mainly sunny, a high -11, a seasonal -3 Sundays. The cloud increases, and it looks like a chance of flurries again Monday. Mix of sun and cloud Tuesday, and mostly cloudy Wednesday.